Did you know that ring lights were originally developed for medical and dental purposes? So, ang oras po natin ngayon is 3:40 in the afternoon. So, chill lang po tayo. That's why nakaupo lang po ako ngayon sa sahig. Dahil gusto ko pong i-enjoy yung filming na to. So, I'll be sharing with you my first ring light. So, ang gagawin po natin ay mag-unbox po tayo ng ring light kasi someone gifted this to me. So, hindi ko pa po siya binuksan dahil sabi ko, i-unbox ko siya ngayon. So, meron po akong M33 LED filling lamp, Beauty Live ring light. For today's video guys, I'll be sharing with you my first ring light. So, ang gagawin po natin ay mag-unbox po tayo ng ring light. At sobrang grateful po talaga ako that someone gifted this to me kasi alam naman po natin that ring light is so important sa pag-vlog at important din po siya when it comes to photography and even sa pag-makeup. So, hindi lang po to simpleng unboxing lang, kundi mag-share din po ako kung paano siya i-set up at kung ano yung mga benefits ng ring light. So, I assure you guys na meron po kayong matutunan while watching this video. So, meron po tayong M33 LED filling lamp. Beauty Live ring light. So, eto siya guys. Ayan. Mayroon po siyang kasamang tripod. So, ang gagawin po natin ngayon ay i-open natin siya. Kailangan po natin ng gunting. Wow. Fairness, ang gaan-gaan niya. Guys. Pwede siyang pahabain, guys. Sobrang haba niya. Number 1. Emphasize details. Due to its design and structure, ring light is perfect for emphasizing details on photographs and videos. Ring light's circular design allows users to use their cameras in between the hole, enabling them to focus on specific details of the shoot. Number 2. Macro photography. Ring light produces perfectly balanced lighting that is evenly distributed on every side of the model or object that the users want to focus on. It creates high-quality photos and videos. Number 3. Video production. When using ring light as the only source of lighting for photo shoot and filming, the ring light produces an attractive halo shadow that brilliantly outlines the subject. This provides a dramatic and professional look for filming. Number 4. Makeup application. Ring light is perfect for makeup application, especially on an overcast day or when natural light is not available. It will evenly spread the light across the facial features and ensure that you can see every blemishes or spots that needs to be covered. So that's all for today, guys. Sana nag-enjoy po kayo sa first unboxing video ko dahil sobrang nag-enjoy po talaga ako sa pag-film nito at grateful po ako sa nagbigay sa akin nito. Appreciate ko talaga yung thought na pagbibigay sa akin. And sana meron din po kayong natutunan tungkol sa ring light. At salamat din po sa lahat na patuloy na nanonood ng mga videos ko and also sa mga sumusuporta sa akin. Thank you talaga. Na-appreciate ko po kayong lahat. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, have a great week, and have a great life. Bye!